students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 2, polynomial exercise 2.5, question number 5, factorize these. This is a equation. In this equation, here is x square, y square, z square, xy, yz, zx. Related formula of this. The identity is, our formula is x plus y plus z whole square is x square, y square, z square, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Now we will convert this formula in these terms. X square, here is 4, the squaring term of 4 is 2 square, so this is over 2x square. 9, 3 into 3, 3 square. 16, 4 into 4 means 4 square. The equation is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 2xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. This is our equation. Now writing this equation is 2x square, 4, 2. Now 9 is 3, 3y square, here is 4, 4z square. Now we will separate 2xy, here is 2, remaining part is 6. The x and y, 2 into 3, there are 6, so this is over 2x and 3y. Now taking again 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, then xy. Now in the next one, here is minus. In 24 we will take common 2, remaining is 12, then yz, 12yz, here is yz, 3 into 4, 12, so this is 3y and 4z. The next one, minus, taking 2 in 16 common, taking 2 common, the remaining part is 8, the remaining is 8. Now x and z, here is x and z, 2 into 4, 8, so this is over 2x and 4z. Let's see again, we will make the squaring term, so 4 is 2 square, this is 2x whole square, here is 3 square, so 3y whole square, here is 4 square, so 4z square. Now in this formula there are 2, 2 and 2, we will take common as 2, we are taking common 2, the remaining part is 6, 6xy, yes, here is 6xy, so 2x and 3y, the part is 2x and 3y, taking common 2, here is 12yz, 12yz, here is 3 into 4, 12, then yz, so the factors are 3y and 4z. Now taking 2 common, here we are taking 2 as a common part, remaining part is 8, 8xz, here is 2 into 4, 8, so the factors are 2x and 4z. Now in this formula there are only plus term, but here is minus. How make this minus? In this equation there are 2 minus terms, there are 2 minus terms. What is the common part? The common part is z, so z is minus, so here the z is minus term. Now we are writing the term again, minus 4z square, the z is minus, so we are making the z in minus term. In this term, minus 4z into minus 4z, the square term is this, minus into minus plus 4 into 4 16 z into z square. This is 16 z square positive. 16 z square positive. So we can make this as minus term. Now here is no z. 2. We are writing as plus because minus will be goes to z. Plus 2 into 3y then minus 4z. Now here z, then minus goes to z, plus 2 into 2x then minus 4z. Now I am comparing the formula. Here is x square, y square, z square, 2 into xy, 2 into yz, 2 into xz. Yeah, zx. The answer is x plus y plus z whole square. X plus, this is our x, this is our y, and this is our z. Z is minus 4z whole square. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Our next part is part number 2. The given equation is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 x y, 4 root 2 y z minus 8 x y. Here is x square, y square, z square, 2xy. Here 2yz, 2zx. The last one is xz. The last one is minus 8xz. Now the related formula. X plus y plus z whole square is x square, y square, z square, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. This is our formula. Now making in this term 2. Which number square is 2? When we are taking root 2 square, root 2 into root 2, answer is root 4 means 2. The root 2 square is 2. The 2 is written as root 2 square, then y square, okay, then 8. The whose square is 8? 8 can written as 4 into 2. The square term of 4, 2 square, the squaring term of 2, root 2 square, we can written as 2 root 2 square. This is our 2 root 2 square. 8 is 2 root 2 square. Now opening the bracket, 2 root 2 multiply 2 root 2, 2 into 2, 4, root 2 into root 2, root 4, 4 into 2, answer is 8. So 8 can written as 2 root 2 square, 2 can written as root 2. Now I am making the equation in this term. Function is root 2x whole square. If we are opening the bracket, root 2 square is 2x square. Now second one is y square, the third one 8, 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2 z whole square. Making square, 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, 4, 2, 8. Now in this term we will take common 2. Another is root 2x and y, root 2x and y. The factor are root 2x then y. Taking 2 as a common part, for root 2 is taking common, answer is 2 root 2. Then y and z, z having 2 root 2, so y and 2 root 2 z. This is our next term, 2 into 2 4, then root 2, then y and z. Now minus 2 are taking common, the remaining part is 4, 8 upon 2 4. Then x and z, here is root 2x and z is 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 2, root 4, then 2 multiply, root 4 is 2 4. So 4 can written as root 2 and 2 root 2. 4 can written as root 2 and 2 root 2. Then xz, root 2x, this is root 2x and this is 2 root 2z. These are the factors of this term. Now the minus sign, minus, common part of these minus are x. The x is minus. Now in next line we are making the x in minus sign. Minus root 2x whole square, y square, 2 root 2z whole square. Then we are making plus because minus will move to x. Minus root 2x y, 2y, 2 root 2z. Then minus will move to x, 2 minus root 2x, 2 root 2z. Now comparing with formula, the answer is x plus y plus z whole square. The answer is, this is our x plus y then plus z whole square. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 6. Write the following cubes in expanded form. The first one, 2x plus 1 cube. This is our question. Now related formula, x plus y cube is x cube y cube plus 3xy x plus y. This is our formula. 2x plus 1 cube is, here x is 2x and y is 1. X, this is our 2x, y is 1 cube. 3, x is 2x, y is 1. X is 2x, y is 1. Now taking cube, 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, the answer is 8 x cube, 1 cube is 1, 3 into 2, 6 x, 2x plus 1. Now we are opening the bracket, 8x cube plus 1, 6 into 2, 12, x into x, x square. Now 6x into 1, 6x. Rearranging. We are rearranging the term. First of all, we written x cube, then x square, then 6x, then 1. This is our answer. Now I am taking part second. The second part is 2a minus 3b cube. Here is formula x minus y cube. X minus y cube. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. By comparing, x is 2a, y is 3b. 2a minus 3b cube. X is 2a. 2a cube minus y is 3b. 3b cube. X is 2a, y is 3b. X is 2a, y is 3b. So we are putting the value in formula. X is 2a and y is 3b. Now opening the bracket, 2 cube 8, then a cube, 3 cube is 27, b cube minus 3 into 2 6, 6 into 3 18, ab. Now this is 2a minus 3b. We are opening the bracket here, 8a cube, 27b cube, 18 into 2 16, a square, b, minus into minus plus 18 into 3 54, a, b square. This is our answer. Now I am taking part third. The third one is 3 upon 2x plus 1 cube. Formula x plus y cube, x cube, y cube, 3xy, x plus y. Here is x is 3 by 2x and y is 1. 3 by 2x plus 1 cube. Now x cube, 3 by 2x cube, y cube, 1 cube, 3x, 3 by 2x, y, 1, x plus y, 3 by 2x plus 1. This is our equation by formula. Now taking cube, 3 cube 27, 2 cube 8, x cube, this is 1 cube is 1. Now 3 into 3 9, then 2, then x, 3 by 2x plus 1. Now we are opening the bracket, 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 9 into 3 27, 2 into 2 4, x into x, x square. Now multiply by 1, 9 by 2 x. Rearranging the term, first of all x cube, then x square, then x, then constant. 27 by 8 x cube, 27 by 4 x square, then 9 by 2 x, then 1. We are arranging the equation again. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Our next part is part 4. The part 4 is x minus 2 by 3 y cube. X minus y cube. Formula is x minus y cube. X minus y cube. The formula is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. This is our formula. Here x is x and y is 2 by 3y. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube is equal to x cube then y cube 2 by 3 y cube, this is over 3, then x, then y, x minus y, now opening cube, this is over x cube minus here 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, y cube 3 and 3 can cancel, here is minus 2xy, x minus 2 by 3 y. Now here opening the bracket, x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus plus minus 2 x into x square, then y minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4 by 3, then x y square. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. We are not finding directly 99 cube. We are find 99 cube by using a formula. 99, the nearby value is 100. 100 minus 1 is 99. First question is 99 cube, which is 100 minus 1 cube. This is over x and y, x minus y cube. We can use the formula of x minus y cube. Formula is x minus y cube. The formula is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and x minus y. This is our formula. Now we are putting the value. 99 cube is equal to x cube 100 cube, y cube 1 cube minus 3, x 100, y 1, x 100, y 1. Now solving 100 into 100 into 100, this is our cube 1, 0 0 0 0 0 0 double 0 double 0 and double 0. So answer of this is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 minus 1 minus, this is our 300, this is 99. Now when subtracting 1, this is 9 9 9 9 9 9. The 6 times 0 having 6 9's minus 3 into 99, 3 into 9 27, 27 and 2 is 29, then 00. Now subtracting 9 9 9 9 9 9 00 7 9 and 2, subtracting 9 9 2 0 7 9. The answer is 970299. This is our answer of 99 cube. Now taking the next one. Second, 102 cube. The nearby value is 100. So this is over 100 plus 2 cube, x and y, x plus y cube. Formula is x plus y cube. Formula is x plus y cube. The formula x cube, y cube, 3xy, x plus y. This is our formula. Now putting the value. X is 100, y is 2. X cube 100 cube y cube 2 cube 3 into x is 100, this is our 100, y is 2 100 plus 2, 00 00 and 00, this is our 100 cube. Now 2 cube is 8, 3 into 2 600, 2 cube is 8, here is 600, this is over 600, and this is over 102. Now adding these 1 0 0 0 0 0 5 times, this is 6 times, 5 times 0 then 8, the addition of these. Now 00, this is over 00. Now 6 multiplied by 102, 6 into 2 12, then 6. Now adding these 0 8 8 0 0 0 2 0 2 1 0 1 6 0 6 0 1. This is our answer. Now taking part third. The third part is 998 cube. The nearby value is 1000 minus 2 cube. The nearby value of 999 is 1000. 1000 minus 2 is 998. X minus y cube. Here is formula x minus y cube. Formula x minus y cube. Answer is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. This is our formula. Now putting the value, x is 1000, y is 2. X 1000, y 2. This is over 3. X 1000, y 2. X is 1000, y is 2. Now forming the cubic term. Cube 000 000 000 3 times. Cube having 0 3 times. Minus 8. Here is minus. 3 into 6 6000 998. When subtracting 8, 2 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9. This is our answer. Here is first of all 000. Now multiply by 6. 6 into 8 48. Now 6 into 9 54. 54 plus 8 58. 6 into 9 54. 54 plus 5 59. 999 999, then 999, then 992. The first term is this, the second term is 000 88 59. Subtracting 2 9 9 1 1 0 4 9 9. The answer is 9940111992. This is our answer of 998 cube. You can take a screenshot of this. The next question will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.